Alright, after downloading the media creation tool for the appropriate Windows install, launch it, accept the terms and conditions, it will load up after getting a few things ready, as it says right there, and you'll be able to create a system image, which you can easily use to deploy to multiple machines. Don't click upgrade, click create installation media. You'll be able to choose. Click ISO file. Says you'll have to burn to a DVD later, but if you're using a virtual machine like we are, you'll be able to just select that when you install your machine. Click next, select a destination. Here we'll put it in just right on the desktop. And it will go.